We have the amazing Olivia in the building. Here's just some free flow, so this is not rehearsed. We're just gonna call numbers and combos and stuff like that. So if you're holding mitts for someone, you wanna eventually get out of just this. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can keep doing that for a while, but it may get boring. So you wanna mix it up. And here's a good time now to practice some stuff you may have gone over with the person you're holding mitts for, or some stuff you may have gone over as a mitt holder. So here's a free flow, it's not rehearsed. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, to the right. 6, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slip, roll, 6, 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, go. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, go. 2, 1, stretch. 1, stretch, touch. 1, stretch.